Hi, I'm going to show you briefly how you can use this resource for your revision, for your A-level maths revision. So the first thing you have to do is to make a copy, because probably in your version will say somewhere here is view only. So first thing, you go to File, make a copy, and that way you will have your own copy where you can modify and work on it. Just see that you have three tabs, one for pure maths, one for statistics, and one for mechanics. In each of them, you have the year one topics and then the year two topics. So these are following EDEXCEL, and they are the topics that you have in your book. If you hover over the topics, you will see a picture you can open if you want of the topics or the subchapters that you have in each chapter, because maybe you don't remember well what is included in each chapter, right? So the idea is for all of the topics, or as far as you have seen at school, you decide if you understand and remember them well, you click yes, the window will turn green. If you don't remember them well, or you didn't understand them fully at school, a bit, or if you didn't understand or you are struggling with them, you choose not yet. That means that the windows will be green, orange, and red, all of them or most of them. So my recommendation to revise now when you have decided how you feel about the topics is don't revise the greens. The greens are already green. While still you have orange and red, it's better if you use your time for those orange and red. So go to the orange first, work on them, and try to turn them into green. So when you revise them and you understand them better, those orange will become green, right? And when you don't have any more orange, then you can go to red. You could go to red first, but the problem is that sometimes for the red ones, you need to understand other topics first that could be still orange. So you will struggle to understand the red if you don't understand the orange first. So I would go ignoring the green completely, work on the orange until they turn green, and then work on the red. But it's really up to you. You could start with the red if you prefer. You see a third column here. This third column is telling you if you need to understand well other chapters to understand this chapter in particular. So for example, chapter 3, equations and inequalities, you would need to understand well chapter 2, which is quadratics. So if you are trying to approach one topic here that is orange or red, be sure that you understand well this chapter here. If not, it's going to be a bit more difficult. Yeah. So that's the idea. You choose how you feel about all of the topics, and then that way you can focus on the topics that are not that good. Yeah. So that's all. I hope you enjoy using it and happy revision.